Update 1. Important Day. World Rainforest Day, June 22. Every year on 22nd June, the world celebrates World Rainforest Day. It is a day set aside to raise awareness about the value of rainforests and encourage efforts to protect and conserve them. World Rainforest Day began in 2017 when Rainforest Partnership, a non-profit organization dedicated to rainforest conservation and community empowerment, established the day. The initial event centered on community action to protect rainforests and restore damaged ecosystems. This year's World Rainforest Day 2024 theme is Empowering the World in Defense of Our Rainforests. Update 2. Agreement. Certain and MasterCard India sign MoU to enhance cyber resilience in the financial sector. The Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, Certain, has partnered with MasterCard to increase collaboration and information exchange in cyber security in the banking industry. The two companies have signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, under which they will combine their financial sector expertise in cybersecurity incident response, capacity building, cyber threat intelligence exchange, and advanced malware analysis. Certain is a Government of India organization under the Union Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, METI. Update 3. Appointment. S. Tripathi appointed as the first director of UVCE. S. Tripathi, a professor in the Indian Institute of Technology's Department of Geology and Geophysics in Kharagpur, West Bengal, has been named by the state government as the first director of the University of Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, UVCE. Prior to this, on 8 March 2023, the government named D. Manjunath, a professor at the Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, IITB, Department of Electrical Engineering, as the inaugural director of UVCE. But he did not take charge even after a year of his appointment. Update 4. Banking. India Post Payments Bank partners with Ria Money Transfer to revolutionize rural remittance services. India Post Payments Bank, IPPB, has teamed up with Ria Money Transfer, a global leader in cross-border money transfers, to offer convenient and cheap doorstep banking services to consumers in remote locations across the country. According to a statement issued by the Ministry of Communications, the partnership between IPPB and RIA would improve access to financial services at clients' doorsteps, allowing them to withdraw only the amounts they require quickly. The ministry said this initiative aims to mitigate the previous challenges and risks, fostering true financial inclusion. Update 5. Economy. RBI grants payment aggregator license to SubPaisa. SubPaisa, SRS Life Technologies Private Limited, a payment solutions provider, has announced that the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has granted final approval to operate as a payment aggregator, PA, under the Payments and Settlement Systems Act of 2007. The license would enable SubPaisa to provide complete payment aggregation services to nationwide merchants. Since its establishment in 2016, SubPaisa has been offering innovative payment gateway solutions and related products such as payouts and subscriptions. Update 6. Miscellaneous. NHAI to use Miyawaki plantation to increase green cover along NH. The National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, will follow the Japanese model for greening national highways. To begin, NHAI will establish Miyawaki plantations, a unique Japanese technique for ecological restoration and afforestation, on 53 acres of land near national roads in Delhi and the National Capital Region. Based on the success of the Miyawaki plantation in Delhi NCR, the NHAI stated that a similar pattern will be duplicated across the country. The Miyawaki method aims to create dense, native, and biodiverse forests in a short period of time. Update 7. National. Chirag Paswan and Shri Ravneet Singh launch website and mobile app for World Food India 2024. Union Minister of Food Processing Industries Chirag Paswan and Union Minister of State for Food Processing Industries and Railways Ravneet Singh unveiled the World Food India 2024 website and mobile application in advance of the third edition of the event. The ministry is hosting World Food India, India's largest food event, to promote collaboration and partnerships between global and Indian food industry stakeholders from September 19 to 22 this year. World Food India 2023 was a resounding success, witnessing 1,208 exhibitors, 715 international buyers from 90 countries, 24 states, and 75,000 attendees. Update 8, Rank and Report. Sweden tops India at 63rd rank on Global Energy Transition Index, WEF. The World Economic Forum has ranked India 63rd on its Global Energy Transition Index, citing considerable improvements in energy equity, security, and sustainability. European nations dominated the top rankings, with Sweden leading the way, followed by Denmark, Finland, Switzerland, and France in the top 5. Taking note of various initiatives taken in India, the World Economic Forum, WEF, said the country is leading the way in creating outcomes that can be replicated elsewhere. Update 9, State. Cabinet approves development of Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport, Varanasi. The Union Cabinet has given its approval to the extension of the runway and apron at Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport in Varanasi, as well as the proposal for a new passenger terminal. The estimated cost of constructing the new passenger terminal, which will span 75,000 square meters and boost the airport's annual passenger handling capacity from 39 lakh to 99 lakh, is 2,869 crore rupees. The design will reflect the cultural heritage of the city. The proposal also includes runway extension and an expanded apron to park 20 aircraft. Update 10, State. Cabinet green signals Greenfield major port at Vadhavan, Maharashtra. According to an official statement, the Union Cabinet has approved the construction of a Rs 76,200 crore all-weather greenfield deep draft major port in Vadhavan, Maharashtra. According to the release, the project would be built by Vadhavan Port Project Limited, VPPL, a joint venture founded by the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority, JNPA, and the Maharashtra Maritime Board, MMB, with 74% and 26% shareholdings. It added that the port will be one of the top 10 ports in the world. It will create employment opportunities for 12 lakh people.